Hey everybody, welcome back. BTM here. Now today we're diving into a case that tries to balance ultra slim design and serious protection. So we're talking about, of course, the Benks Armor case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So the question is, can a Kevlar case keep your phone safe without making it bulky? So, let's check it out. Okay, as far as the presentation is concerned, you see that it is very clean, very simplistic, very straight to the point, and I like that. Right away, you can see how this thing feels. The Kevlar weave gives it a texture that you don't see every day. And now it wraps around the phone minimalistic profile. The cutouts are precise for your buttons and for your speakers as well, and also on the other side. So you'll see, unlike many minimalistic cases, this one is specifically designed for ease of use and to allow you to get to everything right away. Alright, so Benks uses a 600D DuPont Kevlar fiber here, which is known for its high strength to weight ratio and a premium texture. You also get MagSafe compatibility, which is very nice, especially for an ultra slim like this. Now, some variants weigh as little as 18.9 grams and they're around 1 millimeter thick. Now, there's a raised metal camera frame. Benks call it the volcanic lens guard for added lens protection. Here are the tests that I ran. I dropped it for about 4 feet. The phone survived no major scuffs. I did the pocket test, which doesn't add too much bulk. It slides in and out easily. And as you can tell, the buttons are cut out, so you're going to get the tactileness, if that's a word, from the phone itself by clicking on the buttons. Now, if you're looking for extreme protection, you might want something chunkier, and I have another video in the description for that particular type of case. But for daily use, this thing is pretty impressive. So, whether you're at your desk editing footage or walking up the stairs or using the phone on the couch, this case can fit your daily flow without adding a tank to your phone. Now, this case is listed for roughly $39.99, let's just say $40. And for what you're getting, the Kevlar shell, the MagSafe capability, and the slim design, it offers really a solid value. Speaking of value, let's talk about some of the pros and the cons as we get just a little bit more real. Alright, first off, you're going to have a slim, ultra lightweight profile for what it is. Secondly, you're going to get premium Kevlar material and, as I mentioned, MagSafe capabilities. And then third, you're going to get a minimalistic style design that doesn't really feel bulky. Alright, so now let's talk about some of the cons. Alright, so you have a very modest front screen protection. Face down drop might be a little risky with this one. I would like more protection from that front screen to the lips of the outer edges there. Some people have reported misalignment issues. I haven't noticed anything like that. It doesn't have a built-in ring, nor does it have a built-in stand, which for me is something that I always need, but that's the reason why I take and I always use this bad boy right here. It is a high quality magnetic ring and stand for your phone, and I love this thing. It lasts forever. A link, of course, will be in the description below for this if you want to check it out. Let me ask you a question. What do you value the most in a phone case? Style, protection, or price? Drop it in the comments below. I really would like to know how you feel about your cases so I can design my videos based on the way that you feel. Alright, so let's talk about the rating system. I call these tech stars. So as far as design, you got 9 out of 10 tech stars. For comfort, you got 8 out of 10. For build quality, you got 7 out of 10. For install process, of course, 9 out of 10. Value, 8 out of 10. So that's a total of 4.2 out of 5 tech stars. Now that's not bad, especially for the price. So, if you have found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more hands-on review, and if you're shopping for something like this, why don't you check out my link in the description below. It helps the channel. And if this case didn't work for you, why don't you check out that one right there.